Make yourself do a favor by pressing the red subscribe button and the bell notification icon. Looking on Amazon for some good speakers that happen to be ultra portable and also don't break the bank at the same time? I found these best sellers, the iBall Soundwave 2. These ultra portable speakers are stereo enabled and have 2-inch speaker driver. They come with an inline volume controller, a 3.5mm audio jack input and support power through USB. Hi guys, today we're going to unbox the iBall Soundwave 2 version 2.0. The box looks really good with a cool color scheme going around it. The packaging is straightforward and contains just the speakers wrapped up in polythene. So let's remove that polythene and get started with the audio sample.
Why you talking in code? No reason. Why you got me on hold? I'm beeping. I knew something was ignited. When you left, I wanted more.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want to dance through the highways and on we'll
As far as specs are concerned, here you go. Overall, the speakers have a really good sound profile, and considering the price, they very well deserve the bestseller tag and are a good buy for your money. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Here are some other videos that you might like. Thank you for watching. Peace.